Hi, my name is Ruben Infante, and today I'll be doing a project presentation for my Fundamentals of Physics class. I take this class every Tuesday and Thursday from 9 a.m. to 12:45 p.m., and my instructor's name is George Stewart. The topic for my project is called Air Physics, and let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why NBA slam dunk masters such as Vince Carter or even the legend Michael Jordan hang up in the air for so long before dunking the ball? Well, my experiment will reveal the physics behind slamming the basketball. As far as the materials, you're going to need a belt to strap yourself to the seat because what you're about to see might seem unrealistic, and if you're not ready for this, it might even cause brain damage. So fall back, strap yourself real tight, and let's enjoy the ride.
Hi, I'm Vince Carter, Toronto Raptors, and it's time to get up.
You Jake Sully?
I'd like to talk to you about a fresh start on a new world. You'd be making a difference.
Vince Carter, Magic Johnson, take a look if you're anywhere out there.
I became a Marine for the hardship. I told myself I can pass any test a man can pass. All I ever wanted was a single thing worth fighting for.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not in Kansas anymore. You are on Pandora.
You should see your faces.
We have an indigenous population called the Na'vi. They are very hard to kill.
This is why we're here. Because this little gray rock sells for 20 million a kilo. Their village happens to be resting on the richest deposit, and they need to relocate. Those savages are threatening our whole operation. We're on the brink of war, and you're supposed to be finding a diplomatic solution.
The concept is to drive these remotely controlled bodies called avatars. They're grown from human DNA mixed with DNA of the natives.
Marine in an avatar body. That's a potent mix. You get me what I need, I'll see to it you get your legs back. Your real legs.
Oh yeah, sir.
Looks like you. This is your avatar.
Just relax and let your mind go blank. It shouldn't be hard for you.
Carter, oh no! Jake, it's real simple. I want you to learn from the inside. I want you to gain their trust.
You should not be here. Go back. Well, this is your fate.
I need your help.
It's over, ladies and gentlemen!
Outstanding.
Watch this start.
Haven't gotten lost in the woods, have you?
You got what team you're playing for?
Strong, prey on the weak, and nobody does a thing.
You got 1 hour.
You knew this would happen?
Everything changed. Jake, it's crazy here. Horus is rolling and there's no stopping him.
We're going up against gunships with bows and arrows.
Well, I guess we better stop him.
This year, 20. Play by Kevin Willis.
They've sent us a message that they can take whatever they want. But we will send them a message that this is our land.
Back to Carter. Outside. Carter.
Very impressive, huh? I just hope you didn't get a heart attack. Believe it or not, Vince Carter is not breaking any law of science when he hangs up in the air and throws down these tomahawks and reverse slams. It might appear that way, but he's actually governed by the same law of physics just as everyone else, including you and myself. How high he jumps depends on how much force he applies or uses to push himself off the ground when he goes up for a dunk. In other words, Vince Carter gives so much air because he has such a powerful push off when he jumps off the ground for a slam dunk. Now let's look at other facts here. A jump of 4 feet leads to a hang time of 1 second. That's a rare high jump. As it turns out, most basketball players, including Vince Carter, don't jump that high. A 3-foot high jump has a hang time of 0.87 seconds. That means all the reverse, twists, and turns of the slam dunk, as you see in the slam dunk contest, take place in just 8 or 9 tenths of a second. So why it seems like Vince Carter stays in the air for much longer than 1 second? According to Newton's law, when a player jumps and takes off from the ground towards the basket, the player will come down at the same rate as he rolls into the air, as long as there's no contact with anything. Vince Carter, along with other players, make it seem longer because they hold on to the ball longer than other players before dunking, waiting until they're on the way down from their jump to dunk the ball. Players create an illusion of floating or flying by pulling their legs up and extending their arms as the jump progresses. This makes it seem like they are higher than they really are. Now, imagine if Vince Carter ever played basketball on the moon. Since an object on the moon weighs 1/6 of what it does on Earth, Vince Carter will be able to rise 6 times higher and remain in flight 6 times longer than the Earth. That means Carter will weigh 37 pounds on the moon, will perform vertical leaps of 24 feet, and hang in the air for nearly 6 seconds. That's like jumping over a small 2-story building in a single jump. Well, that's it for my presentation, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This was Ruben Infante, Report on Live. I will see you guys soon.